If you want to line up design elements perfectly in Photopea, the grid is one of the most useful tools you can turn on. In this video, I'll show you how to grid Photopea, how to customize the grid size, and how to make objects snap to it for cleaner, more accurate layouts. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and design guides. Let's get into it. First, let's turn the grid on. The fastest way is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+apostrophe. On Mac, press Command+apostrophe. As soon as you use that shortcut, the grid will appear over your canvas. If you prefer using the menus, you can also go up to the top menu bar, click View, and then choose Show Grid. That does the same thing, and it's a good option if you're still getting used to Photopea's layout. Once the grid is visible, you can use it for pixel-perfect alignment, planning layouts, and spacing elements evenly across your design. This is especially helpful if you're building social media graphics, website mockups, banners, UI layouts, or anything where precision matters. Now, if you want your layers to automatically lock into place along the grid, you need to turn on snapping. To do that, go to View again, then hover over Snap To, and make sure Grid is checked. When grid snapping is enabled, any layer, shape, or element you move close to a grid line will snap right into position. That means you won't have to eyeball alignment or zoom in and guess whether something is straight. It makes the whole design process much faster and a lot more accurate. This is really useful when you're moving text boxes, icons, rectangles, or other design elements. Instead of dragging something around until it looks correct, Photopea will help you place it exactly where it belongs. If you're working on a clean layout, this can save a ton of time. Next, let's change the grid size. Sometimes the default grid spacing is too large for detailed work, and sometimes it's too small if you want a simpler layout guide. To customize it, go to Edit, then Preferences. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. Inside the Preferences window, look for the Grid section. Here, you'll find the option called Grid Every. This controls how often the grid lines appear. For example, if you set it to 20 pixels, the grid will appear more frequently and give you tighter spacing for more detailed alignment. If you set it to 50 pixels, the grid will be more spread out, which can work better for broader layout planning. Choose the value that fits your project best, then click OK to apply the changes. Your grid will immediately update based on the spacing you selected. If you ever need to change it again, you can return to Preferences and adjust it anytime. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl+apostrophe or Command+apostrophe to show or hide the grid. Use View, Snap To, Grid to make objects snap into place, and go to Edit, Preferences to customize the grid spacing to your exact needs. Once you get used to these tools, designing in Photopea becomes much easier and much more precise. If this video helped you learn how to grid Photopea, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more Photopea tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.